So let's read the question. The question says in disaccharides, if the reducing group of monosaccharides, aldehyde or ketonic groups are bonded, these are non-reducing sugars. Okay? Which of the following disaccharide is non-reducing? Okay? These are the options and we have to find out the correct answer. So बच्चों non-reducing and reducing क्या होता है? Non-reducing. ठीक है? Suppose in the disaccharide, if the C1 or anomeric carbon, C1 C2 नहीं कहेंगे, we'll call them anomeric carbon. Anomeric carbon क्या होता है? Because in glucose, the anomeric carbon is C1, that is in the pyranose ring. ठीक है? For a simplicity, in pyranose ring or in glucose, the anomeric carbon is C1, and in furanose, ठीक है, that is in the fructose, cyclic structure of fructose, the anomeric carbon is C2. If the anomeric carbon are free, ठीक है, free मतलब they are not involved in the glycosidic linkage. ठीक है, if the anomeric carbon are not involved in the glycosidic linkage, then they are called reducing sugar. ठीक है, because they are not free, therefore they will not reduce the tolerance reagent or failing solution. Therefore, they are called non-reducing sugar. ठीक है, non-reducing sugar. If the anomeric carbons in the cyclic structure are not free, then they are called non-reducing. If they are free, if the anomeric carbons are free, then they will be called reducing sugar. ठीक है बच्चों, so based on this we will find out, ठीक है, if in the first structure if you see this is the anomeric carbon, both are pyranose ring, both are, this is C1 and this is C4, this is C4, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका C1 कार्बन that is the anomeric carbon is free, ठीक है, तो बच्चों ये क्या हो जाएगा, this is reducing, ये क्या हो जाएगा, this is reducing. Now come to the second option. Here the pyranose ring में आप देख सकते हैं it is the C1 carbon. This is C1 and in furanose ring this is the C2 carbon. ये आपका क्या है, C2 कार्बन. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या है, both are involved in the glycosidic linkage. तो this is non-reducing. This is non-reducing. ठीक है. In third option if you see this is C1 carbon. ठीक है, it is C1 and this is C4 carbon. ठीक है, the linkage is C1 C4 and C1 carbon of another glucose unit or the pyranose unit is free. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों, it is reducing. ये हो जाएगा reducing. In the last option this is C1 carbon and this is also C4 carbon. This is not C1. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका C1 carbon is free. So ये भी आपका क्या हो जाएगा, this is reducing. तो आपको देखना है कि रिंग इज पायरानोज और फ्यूरानोज. ठीक है, इफ इट इज पायरानोज और ग्लूकोज का है तो वहां पे हम एनोमरिक कार्बन जो देखेंगे इट वाज C1, इट इज C1. ठीक है, एंड इन फ्रुक्टोज द एनोमरिक कार्बन इज C2. If C1 and C2 carbons are involved in the glycosidic linkage, then they will be non-reducing sugar, and they are free, then they are called reducing sugar. ठीक है, so here the correct option is B. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.